Still using an old screw-type phone holder? It's time for an upgrade. Meet the new quick-release motorcycle phone holder, designed to make every ride more convenient. Unlike traditional screw-type mounts, this new design lets you install and remove your phone in just seconds. Simply lock it in place, and you're ready to ride. It holds your phone securely, even on rough roads, while giving you quick access